Welcome to my channel DylTri Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Mathar, also known as Gor Papdi or Sukhdi. Firstly, grind the sunflower, pumpkin seeds and the walnuts. In a large pan, add some of the ghee, clarified butter, and heat up on a medium flame. Then add the Goond, which is Indian gum, and roast till the Goond bubbles. Then remove this into a bowl and grind once cooled to be added later. Add more ghee to the pan and heat on a medium flame. Now add the wheat flour. Stir this in and keep mixing. Add more ghee and continue stirring on a medium heat, adding ghee as needed. You will see that the mixture changes colour and is now bubbling. Turn off the heat, then add 3 tablespoons of milk and stir in. You will see this bubbling to a light mixture. add 3 more tablespoons of milk and mix this in. You will need to do this another 1 more time. Now on low heat, add in the Katlu, which is also known as Batrisu powder. Mix this in. Now add in the grounded Goond, the Indian gum powder, and mix in. Now add the grounded mix of sunflower, pumpkin and walnuts and mix this in. Now add in the grounded almonds and pistachios and mix in. Now add the Elachi, ginger powder and nutmeg and mix that in. Now add in the Gor, a little by little, and mix that in. Once this is melted through, turn off the gas. Grease a baking tray with ghee as shown. Now transfer the mixture into the baking tray. Press down firmly using the wooden spoon into the tray. Press down with the back of a bowl to smooth out the mixture. Now sprinkle on some grounded almond and pistachio for garnish and press this in. Leave this to set for about half an hour. Cut into square pieces in the tray. After 4 to 6 hours, you can remove the Mathar and store this in an airtight container. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.